Alright, sorry about the video quality and stuff. It's being shot on an S9, but this is a Tyger Fury bumper for a Dodge Ram 1500. No videos on YouTube or anything, so I've seen a couple pictures, like 3, nothing more. Nobody talks about them or anything. I've seen them on some Jeeps for their rear bumpers and stuff, but not a Dodge Ram. It's a $600 bumper, so I thought I'd give it a try. It's got a plate relocation bracket. Comes with little screens that go in here and cover this piece up. I put rough country DOT approved fog lights in here, wired them into the factory harness, so my factory switch does work, my little toggle switch. No other drilling or anything in there. You can kind of see where I've put it back into the original piece and wired it in. And then this bumper does wrap around. It's a little bit of gapping in here. This one is much cleaner than the other side. And I've done a little bit of trimming and stuff for it to go in. Up underneath the hoop, it will accommodate up to a 20-inch light bar. You can kind of see rail 1, 2, and 3. So you can do little pods, or you can do a 10-inch, 12-inch, up to a 20. I am running the after. It doesn't all come with it. This is the skid plate. This is about a $90 upcharge to get the skid plate. It does work with a lift kit. I do have a super lift 6-inch lift kit. It goes onto the tow bars, not the skid plate, which that's what the company told me it went onto, and that was a lie. It goes right here and just bolts down. A little bit of added protection. This seam cleared up pretty decent. This piece did not. This is my only problem. It's right here and here. It's about a decent sized gap. I would like to see that get fixed a little bit, so we're gonna try to see if it settles after a few hundred miles or something, or try to push it up into place a little bit and then bolt it down and use some Loctite. But yeah, that's my only gripe on it, is that piece right there, leaving that gap. Other than that, it's a pretty clean bumper. Wasn't that bad to install. My only real harp that the instructions did not cover is your original piece of your bumper. Goes underneath and it comes up to about right here in plastic. That holds the bottom part of this, the bottom part of the grill in, and you have to trim it. So get ready to spend some decent amount of time. You can see where it's trimmed a little bit, and the grill is flexed a little bit to fit in there, up in there. But yeah, you're gonna have to trim this whole piece back pretty decently to where you just literally, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of bright and stuff, but you're gonna just barely have enough space to get your grill to fit in on the bottom pieces, and then that's it. Other than that, it's a pretty decent bumper. 5mm or 5mm steel. It's pretty decent. It's got a good coating. Nothing's chipped on it or anything. It's holding up pretty well. And then just a short walk around.